Ano guys?
Ate Manal.
Hindi yung B daw may cut 1, yung number 2, tapos yung F may cut number 1 daw.
Ha? Patingin na.
Tignan mo. 2 times 7 divided by 1 equals 40. Diba?
Kanina yan. Di ba sabi ko sa'yo, tama ako?
14. Yung sanabi mo kanina ay cut 1.
So, Hello guys! So, gumagawa kami ng
Wow,
news.
ako na talaga yung gumagawa ng project ninyo.
So, very, very nice.
So
So guys, gumagawa kami ng nails.
Diyan nails. Nalis yan.
Ay, oo, umalis ka na dito para di ka na mapagalitan mo. Oh, yung tingin mo to.
Ano sila guys?
Napamay ama na lang. Nag-lock ka ba dati ko ako?
Naka-vlog kayo.
Ipo-post namin.
Ayusin nyo.
Oh, di ba din si Lynn? Di ba din si Lynn? Di ba? Natutuwa na ako. Nakita ang tangkad. Wala, yan na yun ang isa.
O yung gunting man. Saan ang markas natin yan?
Ma, ay nasa asan na yung gunting mo? Isa ginatang mo. Nakulay blow. Hello guys. So, ayan dito kami ngayon.
Give me
Busy
slogan.
kami gamit.
Give me slogan.
Busy kasi kami. Lalo na kapag iniwan ka ng jowa mo, lagi ka kang umiiyak.
Ay, kapa!
O, ikaw, anong trash talk mo, Jenly? Awan. Ngangay pa ka mo? Oh! Uy, guys, alam niyo ba crush na itong dalawang to? Si Franklin, tsaka si Kurt Henry. Ala! Malakaw.
Guys, si Denzel nga ikatwan. Si Jansen.
Dancing ng dancing. Ang sasaw ka, tapos lumawatan ka sa un.
Diyan, kartid. Bagman,
Diyan. Impagman, nga dati ko na.
Dati Juwan na.
Hindi
Guys, dati tropa na.
yung secret namin ni Jenny, sabihin ko na,
Ang
guys.
secret ko ay isa akong sekretary. Hindi ko maintindihan sila. Tapos ako pinanag ng sekretary.
Ang sakit. Bakit naging secretary?
Di ba si Rich?
Iba na nga road kasi may allergic siya. Wait lang.
Allergic nga.
Ay, sakit.
Asma yun. Ang
Bakit may asma siya? May ako. Gora ka na pala yung tikpan. Naglamin. Nagputo. Tinidok na kailangan.
Ay, sorry ka, Rodan. Sorry. Oh, nag-thank you, yan.
Baka pag uwi namin gabi na.
House alone.
Tawa din. Sige.
Di maawatan na kita kung kampay.
Even the tone I didn't know how to believe. I was a bit of people say, but I could be all of my time. House of the lows, Eugene, sige. Even the tone I didn't know how to believe. I was a bit of people but I love it all always. And each side and come to one. With clever and confident ways. And such I'm not hiding, loud and shining like a board of face. Teaching me how to be so far, like you did. It's our moment. You know together we got it. Gonna be loaded. Oh, ow. Waiting so long, just inside, just wake up, it feel like it. Just realize, go to the left, hiding like shining like a butterfly. Cause we are hungry, voices strong, now in a library. We go up, it's all gone.
Dapat klase mo.
From the top, make it up as you wait.
Beasan na nga! Ha? Following. Ha? Yeah. So alone. Ha? I was a bilang. Be a little kind. A little sad. But I couldn't on my face. But just inside. Just to wonder. And then you look in the face. Can you say I'm not hiding? I want shining like a butterfly. We dreaming hard, making so far now. I believe we're going up, it's our moment. You know together we're going, gonna be golden. Oh, up, it's our voices. Making so moment, gonna be golden. Oh,
Thank you for watching.